Okay, here's the daily breakdown. So basically starting off with NZD-JPY, the daily needs to have a shift of structure before we can do anything because it's bullish right now. Euro GBP, same thing. We need a daily structure to shift so we can then have trade. Here we're looking for the daily structure to shift bearish as well. GBP USD looking for the daily structure to shift bearish because it went bullish. GBP NZD needing the daily structure to shift to bearish. Euro HUF need, since it broke out on here, we already performed the move, we need to have the daily structure. It shifted. Actually, let's see what's going on here. Weekly had a pullback. Daily needs to shift. Use the HUF. We're looking for the daily to shift bearish. Euro JPY, we're looking for the daily to shift to bearish. UK oil, we're looking for the daily to shift to bearish. CAD JPY, same thing. USD MXN, same thing. All needs to shift to bearish. And USD HKD, this needs a proper daily pullback now. So we can have a proper daily pullback to an area of interest, and then we can look for the move. USD SEK, same thing, needs a proper pullback, and then we can look for the move. USD NOK, same thing, needs a better pullback, and then we can look for the move. Euro NZD, same thing, needs a better pullback, and then we can look for the move. USD JPY, so daily's bullish, 4-hour needs to shift bullish. Silver, same thing, the time frame needs to shift to bullish. GBP CAD, we need to shift to bearish on the 4-hour. Euro USD needs to shift to bearish on the 4-hour. USD DKK needs to shift to bullish on the 4-hour. Euro HKD needs to shift to bearish on the 4-hour. USD HUF needs to shift to bullish because all of these all have the daily bullish. So once the daily, once the daily goes into trend we need, then we need the 4-hour going trend. Euro PLN, now this is bullish as of this point here. It had a proper pullback. We were looking for the accumulation break retest. USD ZAR, same thing, bullish, pulled back. In this area, we're looking for the accumulation break retest. Same thing, GA 4-hour push, 4-hour pullback, looking for the accumulation break retest to then take it long. And active trade right now is USD PLN. And the trade that we got, well, we didn't get rid of, but a pair that we took off was this USD CZK pair, just because, like, on the daily, I didn't know if this was a breaker structure or not. So, like, if you zoom it like this, you'd be like, that's an indecision, right? So indecision candle there in this pattern makes it a bear, makes it a break of structure, right? But then it's not a bend. So at the same time, I'm like, yeah, I don't know. So I just moved that to the not this week. It's not clear enough for me. And basically USD CZK, small European country, is the same as USD PLN, small European country. So you don't need to trade both of them. So that's our breakdown and what we're looking for to happen between like this session and New York session will be these three to have some sort of setup. And yeah.